Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Pablo Crow. And if this is the first time on the channel, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because we have a lot to talk about today. It's been a while since I uploaded a video on an upcoming project. And the reason why is because there hasn't been anything that really feels like it could really have that potential to be the next big player, right? It's hard to find those gems. It's hard to find good quality projects. Now, what I'm about to show you is a token that I believe it could be one of those elite tokens. Now, could I be wrong? Of course, I can always be wrong, but I'm going to tell you all the facts and I'm going to show you the facts of why I believe that's going to happen. Now, the most important thing to understand is that this is not paid marketing. The team did reach out to me and they asked me for my pricing and they offer a very good amount of money for me to market it. And I refused. I told them, look, man, I don't want to take a payment because once you take a payment, you give away that freedom of speech. So I'm going to review this project because I like it. I'm going to review this project because I like what you guys are doing. And I'm going to do it all for free. I'm not going to charge you guys anything. And the developer was actually pretty impressed. And I was like, that's just how it works, man. If I really, really like something, I will gladly promote it for free. Okay. Because I'm going to be an investor. As an investor, that's what I like to do. Now, if I'm not an investor and I choose to take a payment, it's got to be a very, very substantial payment. Now, like I said, if you're new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're an OG on my channel, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. And well, let's talk about this project. All right, let's talk about it. I'm gonna pull it up. I'm gonna put up their Twitter first. We're gonna start with their Twitter. I'll jump right into their website here in a minute. Um, the name of the project is called Prometheum Prodigy. Now, I've been following this project for a little over a week. They've been rating my Twitter very very hard, and I've been hearing a lot of alpha behind this. And if when you hear a lot of alpha, and then the name of the token is some trash token, then you're like, whatever. But no, like this right here is some alpha. Prometheum Prodigy. It's just the name is bullish. And look, this project is in a whitelisting stage. The pre-sale is not even live. They already got their Twitter page verified, first of all. Okay. They already got their Twitter page verified. Now, stay with me through the whole video because we're gonna play this this video they got here because they already got an announcement from Bitmart. Okay, now what I want to talk about Bitmart real quick before I jump into the project is that Bitmart is not cheap. Okay, Bitmart is a tier 2 exchange. The average listing price is above $50,000. So these people, whoever the fuck they are, whoever the developers are behind this project, they pay this shit out of pocket because the pre-sale hasn't even started. There's no funding. There's nothing. Everything that I'm going to show you today is 100% funded by the team. And this team is already pushing close to $100,000 of an investment into the marketing of the project. So to me alone, I'm already respecting the team 100%. You know what I'm saying? For them to try this hard in this nasty market to come out and spend 6 figures to get this thing rolling, I'm sold, right? That's rare. That never fucking happened. Most of the time they launch the token and you got people in the Telegram, Deb, when CMC, sir, when CG. Not with this fucking team, man. So let's jump on the website and then we'll they do have a tweet, I believe, that shows the website right here somewhere. Oh yeah, there it is. Let's jump on the website, and then we'll carry on to what's going on with Bitmart and everything. Okay, but let's talk about the project. Okay, so like I said, Prometheum Prodigy. I like the name. It's super fucking bullish. It reads blue chip. Okay, it reads blue chip. They do have a pre-sale button, which we're gonna talk about here in a minute. They do have a Prodigy paper, which is the white paper. You guys can go check that out. Talks about everything, and we're gonna talk about it as well on the website because it's super fucking bullish. Now, man, the website. First of all, first impression of the website, it's very well made. This is not a cheap website. I mean, look at the background of the world here. They talk about the pre-sale distribution, the AI, the look of it, the colors. I mean, the roadmap, the Prodigy AI sniper, and we're gonna go through all of this. I'm just showing you the overall website. All the links work. There's Unicrypt. There's Twitter. There's Telegram. I mean, fuck, man. This team is very very well organized, which is what I like. Okay. So a layer 2 blockchain platform built on the top of the Ethereum network. It aims to enhance the scalability, transaction speed, and security within the Ethereum ecosystem while leveraging cybersecurity and artificial intelligence technologies to ensure network safety and improve performance. So it's their cream of the crop, their cherry on top is going to be a layer 2 blockchain powered by artificial intelligence. Now, that shit sounds bullish as fuck to me. Obviously, I'm not a nerd. I don't know the technical sides of it. And personally, never understand the technical sides of it. I just like to look at a project and decide if the fucker is bullish, and I like to buy it, and I like to make fucking money. And right now, that's what I'm looking at right now, money. So the tools, our tools and resources are designed to meet the needs of both experienced blockchain and DeFi experts, as well as new investors to the crypto industry. So they're going to have Prodigy Stake, so a staking platform. The Prodigy Flip is going to be a mobile app. And from my understanding, Prodigy Flip is going to be the first utility that they bring out to the public. So that's what they're going to bring out first. Prodigy Chain, which is what we're talking about, a layer 2 blockchain, and Prodigy AI integrations, which is super, super bullish. Now, they kind of have an idea of what the app is going to look like on this image, which I thought it was super fucking cool. It's next generation AI integration, smart bot technology, AI bot to assist buy and sell of tokens, as well as ability to trade for you. Now, that right there is bullish because in order to have a really good app, to be able to develop a smart bot within the app to help you be a better trader is such a good utility, right? Our vision: secure, reliable, innovate. Okay, and I like what they've done with the whole background of this. It's super super bullish, man. This is a lot of reading. So, Prometheum Prodigy is designed to address limitations of the Ethereum network by providing a scalable, secure, and efficient layer 2 solution by utilizing layer 2 scaling techniques. PMPY, which is the ticker, aims to reduce the transaction cost and increase the input of the Ethereum network. Prometheum Prodigy has been built with a modular architecture that combines an optimistic roll-up protocol with cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. This allows PMPY to inherit security from Ethereum and offer cheaper and more sensible data availability. Now, all this, I read cheaper, 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 faster, 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 which, that's the main goal, right? So Prometheum Prodigy Layer 2 tasks scalability, security, artificial intelligence, and interoperability. Man, they got some words in here. Man, for a street smarts like myself, some of these words are brutal. And this is the pre-sale distribution. You got 30% development, 20% liquidity, 10% centralized exchanges, 10% team, and 30% marketing. Now, This distribution for the pre-sale, to me, it's fucking bullish because look, I always say investors got to make money and developers got to make money. If the developer's not making money, then what's the point of being a dev, right? There's a lot going on behind this, and I like that they're coming up front and they say, this is what we're taking. We're taking 10% of the pre-sale for ourselves. That's our payment. And the bullish about the whole thing is that they put it down here, that there won't be no team tokens. Now, to me, I like that structure better. I like the team getting pay in Ethereum or in USDT. I don't like when the team holds, 20-30% of the supply, and then during every time the project starts running, it starts pumping, boom, they dump tokens because they got to get paid, right? So they dump tokens. And to me, the way they structured this is very, very utility based structure. This is good. I like this. Okay. I mean, 30% development, 30% marketing. That's 60% right there, 20% liquidity. That's 80%, and 10% for listings. That's already 90% of the whole distribution is going to make the project better. Now, the 10% for CX listings is crazy because they already got Bitmart to make an announcement. So the connections with these fuckers, man, the connections with this team is mind blowing. Like, how did they get Bitmart to make an announcement before they even collect funds from the pre-sale? It's like, what? What? It tells you a lot from the team because that is not that's not a cheap thing to do, right? It's not a cheap thing to do. A lot of you guys are like, well, it's not a Coinbase, it's not a Binance listing. And I'm like over here thinking, like, bro, these guys are showing you that they have the capability to get these exchanges. It's just an example to build trust. That's all it is. Nobody's gonna launch a tier one before the pre-sale even starts. That's just crazy. But for them to give you a tier two before the pre-sale even starts, it's like, fuck. So I am gonna buy the shit out of this project. Um, I didn't get on the first wave of whitelisting, so I'm gonna try to get on the second one. I was just watching it myself, but I'm definitely sold that I want to buy it. I'm probably gonna get a Max wallet. We're gonna talk about the Max wallets here in a minute. Let's talk about the see how, dude. It's already been 12 minutes. I can't cover this in 10 minutes. It's too much, right? So the roadmap. PMP website, which is what they got going on right now, the pre-sale, which is about to start. It hasn't even started. And then the token launches. Okay. Phase two, DEX listing, which, well, we're already seeing Bitmart. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, that's going to be cake for these guys. Advertisement, it's already happening. 1K holders, well, that won't take long. Prodigy Flip platform. Look at that. On phase two, Prodigy Flip platform. So they're already going to come out with utility on phase two. Now, phase three, we aim to infuse our presence to achieve greater exposure. Pay marketing, exchange listing. So more exchanges, contract audit, application, 5K holders, media engagement, and Prodigy stakes. So on platform three, they're going to come out with staking. Phase four, additional partnerships, which is important in the space, launching media, coverage campaign, mobile app, and Prodigy chain, Prodigy AI, and Prodigy robotics. Now, the mobile app is actually Prodigy Flip platform. So I'm guessing it might have like more updates or some other shit on phase four. And this kind of talks about the Prodigy AI Sniper. It kind of goes through the steps. Snipe Fair launch liquidity, Snipe Dex launch liquidity, Snipe Unicrypt launch liquidity, and it just goes through the whole steps. The role and justifications, you got function one, function two, and function three. Like I said, the Prodigy nomics. I love that. I mean, the fact that they use their name into the tokenomics is kind of funny. 1 billion tokens. Like I said, very little supply. 2% return to holders. Now, this one right here is super fucking bullish because those are reflections. For those that don't understand, every buy, every sell if you're holding on DeFi, you're going to get 2% reflections distributed into the holders. Now, it's been a while since I've seen reflections, and the last time I saw reflections was 1%. So for them to do 2% on reflections is bullish as fuck. I like it. I like it. Lock liquidity, and like I said, no team token. Now, decentralized exchange available for purchasing. Obviously, Uniswap, 1inch, Coinbase, Shapeshift, the Graph, Argent. And I want to add one more thing here. You can also use voltichange.net. All you have to do is take the once it goes live, you can take the contract address, import it to VoltiChain, and you can start to use it. So that to me is super, super bullish. Um, I might see if I can get them to just add the VoltiChain logo right here at the bottom. Well, we'll try. We'll give it a try. All right, so that's the website. Like I said, I'm bullish on the website. I'm bullish on the name. Let's jump over to the pre-sale. Okay. All right, so they're using the best. Of course they are. The fucking best. Um, they're using Unicrypt. Unicrypt to me is the best platform for locking your liquidity, the best platform for a launch pad, the best platform to be used for situations like this. Now, let's talk about the staking, right? See, they already have 42 wallets that got whitelisted. They had a wave one. So in a wave one, the dev team put a countdown, and anybody that send their wallets to one of the developers, they got added to the whitelist. So now, if you are in the whitelist, you can actually go in there, connect your wallet, and you can get your purchase. A lot of these people don't know that yet. As you can see, there's already been 3/4 of an ETH purchased from the whitelist. So these guys are a few people already started buying. Um, and this is kind of what it shows for the pre-sale. Let's see info. Here's the info. So 60% raised from the liquidity will be locked for 3 months. The soft cap they're aiming for 1,000. The hard cap 2,000. 5 Ethereum is the max wallet. 2,000 PMPYs per ETH at the pre-sale, as well as the at the floor launch. So the only benefit about the pre-sale versus the launch is that you get to buy exactly a launch price. So now if there's a big wave of people coming in at launch, then you miss the floor, right? That's the whole benefit about jumping on the pre-sale. Now, the actual pre-sale starts in 7 days, okay? October 3rd. Okay, and the time changes depending on your device. So make sure you look at the timing of your device. Now, what I want to say about this whole thing is that they're not going to be besting tokens. They're not. It was so bullish because look, I'll show you right here what they said. You guys are gonna love this, man. This is where the team kind of like started getting my attention. It was this tweet right here. I'll show you right now. It was, let's see, this one right here. So this is from one of the developers. If you want to get on the whitelist, please DM an Ethereum address. Any proposals will be declined as we already have the best connections in the market. They got quite a statement right there. My TG is at Prodigy. So make sure that you guys are sending your ETH wallet for the whitelisting to the right person, which is at Prodigy on Telegram. Uploading addresses to the whitelist will start once the timer ends, which it ended about an hour ago. So they started, some of the whitelist wallets started buying. No besting. Okay, that we believe it's your money and you can do whatever you want with it. But I do suggest to take us seriously. Now, that is bullish as fuck. All DMs will be deleted after for your privacy. So the developing team is going to delete everything once they upload the wallets. They did a little video about their website being done. I think it's cool what they're doing. Check it out. Basic stuff, simple, a little bit of music. I like it. I like it. Now, if you guys really pay attention to the marketing, man, they already got some other YouTubers, some paid promos going on. Some of these videos, man, they're really well made. They're really fancy. And there's a lot of promotional videos they got going on, man, for a lot of things. Talk about like getting verified. They got, they got a partnership with Bitcoin LFG. If you click on Bitcoin LFG, they have 148,000 followers, and they already got a partnership with these guys. If you go to their website, let me pull up their website, man. Let me show you what they got going on here. If you pull up their website, you go in here, and if you scroll down, check it out. Down here, look, they got ads going on in here as well. You click on it, and it sends you right to the Twitter page. So these guys got ads going, they got partnerships going, they got paid marketing going. They got everything going on, and let's talk about this video right here. They just did this for Bitmart. They did a promo video for fucking Bitmart. Check it out.
Introducing Prometheum Prodigy, the future of cryptocurrency. Now available on Bitmart Exchange, the leading platform for digital asset trading. Trade, buy, and sell Prometheum Prodigy tokens with ease. Accessible to everyone, even for beginners. Prometheum Prodigy, empowering your future. Don't wait. Visit bitmart.com now and start your journey with Prometheum Prodigy on Bitmart Exchange.
See what I'm talking about? These guys are marketing geniuses, man. They got shit going on. They got things moving. They're going in the right direction. Right there, there's their Telegram. You guys can join the Telegram. Let's see if I can check it out real quick. Give me a minute. Let me share the screen, and then we'll show you guys. And this will be the last thing we talk about because it's already been a 20-minute video. So I want to keep it as short as possible, which is really hard. Right here, they got their front page that you land there. They do have a little welcome video that you guys can watch. They do have some of the YouTubers that have posted. Pretty impressive. They already got Maria, which she's connected to. Man, she's connected to some of the top dogs in crypto. She has a lot of good connections. 2Bit, fantastic review. I actually watched this. I watch all of them. Space Chick, one of my favorite in the market. Bleeps, fucking love Bleeps. And yeah, and here's the website at the bottom. Just click join verified, and you can join the Telegram. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you really deep dive into this project and try to take it serious, because this is definitely a project that is worth taking serious. It's definitely they're definitely showing the hard work. And to me, at the end of the day, I love a developing team that works hard. That's all I care about. They work hard. They're going to find believers. And when they find believers, they're going to build a great community and become a great project. We'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe.